Welcome to InvestoSphere. In today's video, we are diving deep into a digital income stream that is not only creative, but also incredibly lucrative if done right: stock photography. In 2025, with the growing demand for high-quality visual content across websites, blogs, advertisements, and social media platforms, stock photography continues to be a powerful avenue to earn passive income. Whether you're a beginner with a smartphone or a seasoned photographer with professional gear, there are countless opportunities to make real money through stock photography. We will break down exactly how to get started, what to shoot, where to upload, how to maximize your profits, and even how to scale your portfolio like a business. This isn't just about taking pretty pictures. It's about understanding the market, building assets, and turning creativity into cash. So stay with us till the end, because this video is packed with real, actionable insights you can start applying today. What is stock photography? Stock photography refers to the supply of photographs, which are often licensed for specific uses. These are images that people, businesses, or organizations can purchase to use in their marketing, publishing, websites, and content creation. The buyers pay a fee, and the photographer earns royalties or a one-time payment. Why stock photography still works in 2025? The market for digital content has only expanded. With a boom in e-commerce, online education, remote work, and AI-powered content generation, visual assets are more in demand than ever. Brands need fresh, relevant, and diverse images for campaigns. Niche imagery is particularly valuable. This means there is room for both professional and beginner photographers who can fulfill those needs. Step 1. Understand your market. Don't just shoot randomly. Before taking your camera out, research what types of photos are in demand. Common high-performing categories include business and technology scenes, work-from-home lifestyle, diversity and inclusion, sustainable living, healthcare and wellness, travel and nature, food photography, seasonal events and holidays, urban life. Use tools like Shutterstock Contributor, Adobe Stock Trends, or Getty Images Contributor blogs to learn what buyers are currently searching for. Step 2. Gear and tools you need. You don't need a $5,000 camera. Today, many smartphones produce images that are good enough for stock platforms. However, a DSLR or mirrorless camera will give you more flexibility, especially in post-processing. Camera or smartphone with high resolution. Tripod for stability. Editing software, Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop, or free tools like GIMP or Snapseed. Lighting setup for indoor shoots, natural light works too. Backdrops or props, depending on the concept. Step 3. Taking the right photos. When creating stock photos, think like a marketer. Leave copy space in images for text overlays. Focus on high contrast and well-lit subjects. Shoot in landscape and portrait modes. Include people when possible. Get model releases. Avoid logos, brand names, and copyrighted content. Realness sells. Authentic moments and emotions connect better than overly staged content. Step 4. Editing and post-processing. Your raw image is just the beginning. Post-processing is crucial. Color correction and white balance. Sharpening and contrast. Removing distractions or blemishes. Cropping for composition. Keep edits realistic and avoid overly filtered looks. Buyers want authenticity. Step 5. Model and property releases. If your photo includes recognizable people or private property, you need signed permission to sell it commercially. Stock platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock provide easy-to-use release forms. Without releases, your content will be limited to editorial use only, which reduces your earning potential. Step 6. Best platforms to sell your photos. Not all platforms are created equal. Here are the top stock photography websites to start with. Shutterstock, one of the largest marketplaces. Great for beginners. Adobe Stock seamlessly integrates with Adobe tools. High payout rates. Getty Images /iStock, great for premium imagery. Alamy, higher commission rates and more diverse content. Deposit Photos, competitive and beginner-friendly. Dreamstime, another strong platform for diverse submissions. You can upload to multiple platforms at once using tools like Wirestock, which manages metadata and distribution across several agencies. Step 7. Mastering metadata. Your image title, description, and keywords matter as much as the photo itself. Metadata determines whether buyers find your image. Be accurate and specific. Use all keyword slots allowed. Include synonyms and contextual tags. Think like a buyer. What would someone search to find your image? Step 8. Building a consistent portfolio. More photos equal more opportunities to earn. Set a schedule to consistently upload new content. Aim for niche specialization, e.g., food photography, seniors, pets, etc. Keep themes consistent. Follow seasonal trends and upcoming holidays. Organize your portfolio into collections so buyers can easily browse. Step 9. Understand the licensing models. Each platform offers different licensing models. Royalty-free, most common. Buyer pays once, can use multiple times. Rights managed, more control. Buyer pays for specific usage rights. Your earnings will depend on the license type and buyer's usage. Step 10. How much can you really earn? Earnings vary widely. A single photo might earn a few cents to hundreds of dollars, depending on usage. High performers with large portfolios can make thousands per month. Microstock, volume-based, equals lower payouts but more sales. Midstock and premium equals fewer sales but higher payments. Photography is a numbers game. Quality and quantity matter. Step 11. Growth strategies to scale your income. Batch shoot and plan content ahead. Collaborate with models or businesses. Join photography challenges and contests for exposure. Analyze your sales reports to see what sells. Create themed sets, e.g., fitness lifestyle, modern office, remote work tools. License your photos for merchandise, mugs, prints, etc. Step 12. Automate and delegate. If you're growing big, time becomes your bottleneck. Consider hiring freelance editors, using metadata automation tools, outsourcing model and property release management. Step 13. Diversify your visual assets. Don't stop at photos. Expand into stock videos, vectors and illustrations, backgrounds and textures, motion graphics. These formats are growing and often have higher payouts. Step 14. Legal tips for photographers. Keep backup copies of all releases and contracts. Understand copyright laws. Avoid taking photos in restricted locations. Always get permission before using someone's likeness commercially. Step 15. Turning stock photography into a full business. Eventually, you can treat this like a real business. Set up a personal website portfolio. Offer premium photo packages to clients. License directly to businesses. Create courses and guides for beginner photographers. Sell prints or start a photo-based merchandise line. Stock photography is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is one of the most rewarding ways to turn your creativity into a consistent income stream. In 2025, with the growth of digital media, the demand for fresh, authentic, and diverse images has never been higher. Whether you're capturing the beauty of everyday life or creating high-end commercial content, there is a market for your vision. So grab your camera, find your niche, and start building your portfolio today. And remember, consistency and strategy are key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to InvestoSphere for more in-depth guides on how to grow your income online. Questions for you. Have you ever tried uploading photos to stock platforms? What was your experience like? What niche or subject would you most enjoy photographing? What challenges do you think new photographers face in 2025? Would you like us to make a video tutorial showing how to upload to a specific stock site? Thank you for watching. Keep earning, and we'll see you in the next video on InvestoSphere.